What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for SoFi Technologies with the ticker symbol SOFI. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So SoFi, since Tuesday, it looks like it did work its way higher from around the high 7s to the almost the mid 8s, and it looks like we're finding a little bit of resistance around this level. So SoFi, what is it trying to do? Well, again, we're seeing a lot of choppy price action. You can see that price made a large move up, large move down, large move up, large move down. Now we're seeing a move up. So again, we're seeing this choppy price action. Why are we seeing that? Well, we have to figure it out. On the chart, it's telling me that the bulls and bears are attempting to reach the targets. So the bulls are attempting to get back up here at the 13s, and the bears are trying to get back down here at the 5s. So right now, they're battling it out right in this area. As right now, the ball is still in the bears' court because we're still below this trend line. So just imagine this line is a trend line across the first two downswings, the swings highs, and you can see that we're still below this. So that's what the bears have in their favor, working in their favor for the price continuing down lower. Is this trend line towards the downside. The bulls do have their trend line to the upside, this one right over here, and we are bouncing from that right now. So eventually one of these trend lines will break, and that'll probably give us a better idea where it's headed. So we saw the first attempt by the bears to reach that target, and it failed because we bounced off the trend line. This was the second attempt that failed, and there's a good chance for another final attempt. So again, if this trend line breaks and we see another dump and it fails to go lower and we reverse, there's a good chance that the bulls will be able to succeed and price will most likely rally back up to the 10s. Now, if we bounce from this trend line, reject it, and bounce from this, and we don't bounce from this trend line, then that tells me we're probably going to be headed lower towards the 5s. So again, the bulls, this is the first attempt to reach the measured target that failed. This is the second attempt, and this is the second attempt of the second attempt, so or the third push, you could say. So if this one fails, the bears still have another push in their belt to use, and that one can be successful. So as right now, I'm not entirely sure. You can see that this is some type of pendant formation going on. We'll see which way it wants to go. But again, the market is not always, trending in a particular direction. Clearly, it was easier to say that price was going to go lower when we were over here. So that's clearly a downtrend. Then we were going sideways, and now it's just getting pretty choppy, which is also sideways. So the market is neutral long term. Short term, obviously, there's bullish and bearish imbalances going on day to day. But medium term, it's still trying to figure out what it wants to do. That's all I have for SoFi Technologies on the daily chart. Let's take a look at the weekly. Looking at the weekly, it looks this week's candle looks pretty good, but again, that's just 1 week's price action. We want to see a break of that downward trend line and follow through to the upside. And again, for the bears, they need to break this upward trend line and see follow through towards the downside. So again, it's just a waiting game. We've been trading right around this $8 level for the past, beginning of this year, basically. And you can see that it hasn't really done much since then. So that's all I have for SoFi Technologies on the daily and weekly charts. It's a Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.